Hey, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and please leave a comment down below. Tonight I have another guest, my granddaughter again. Say hello. You're not gonna say hello? No? Okay, great. So anyway, I have something very easy and quick to do is steaks. Tonight I'm using two New York steaks. This is very fast and easy, cold to go. So I explain what I do, the way I do this here. I got here my helper. What I like to do is go ahead and pound the steaks a little bit. Here we go. A little bit, not too much.
It's grabbing my face.
I know, I'm sorry, honey. There we go. And then, you okay? You want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, a couple of times. Yeah, you know how it works. There we go. Wow. It's already dead. So basically, here's what we're gonna use, guys, okay? We do have fresh pepper, salt, 3 cloves of garlic, and paprika. Now, olive oil, okay? So let me show you how we're gonna do this. Grab your salt. You salt these babies.
I do it.
I know you will. Give me 1 second. And then be generous with your salting here, okay? And once again, I know on camera it looks like it's a lot. Give me 1 second. And then do a little fresh pepper. Now that one's not go there yet. Because we gotta move to the stove and then we're gonna do that one. Flip these guys in here, all right? And redo it again. Here we go, there's my. Wow! Hey, what are you trying to do? Huh? What is wow?
Means wow.
Okay, salt this, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do pepper.
And what do we do?
Do you like steak?
No.
You don't like steak? Yes, you do. Okay, so after these guys are here done, by the way, at room temperature, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move to the stove, and I'm gonna show you the way I do the steaks. And by the way, they cook really good, and keep in mind, do whatever you want. Well done, medium, or medium rare. It's totally up to you. Yes. So I'll put these guys together, and I'll show you the way I'm gonna cook the steaks. So what I like to do is go ahead and put my butter here. And as you see, let this guy melt a little bit here. Now, I'll throw a little olive oil on it. And the reason why is because I don't want the butter to burn, okay? Here we go. Look at this.
Hi, guys.
She say hello to you guys. Gonna put this one here. Now the next thing we're gonna do, grab you garlic. We're not gonna use the whole thing, and I'll show you why. By half, see? Just half, okay? Mix that in here. Wow, this already smells excellent. And then the next thing I do is your paprika. Watch. Throw that in there. Not only that, gives them a great flavor. There we go. But also great color. Next thing I know, grab your steak from here. All right. Steak from here. All right. Now, you let this guys cook in here about 2 minutes for each side, okay? Now, when it starts turning red here, you see the blood, then you're gonna flip those steaks. And I'll show you when we're ready to do this flip here. 2 minutes went by. So let's go ahead. Look at this. Look at that. So let this guy cook here for 2 minutes. Medium high, medium low. Take your time with it, and like I said, if you like well done, do well done. Medium, or medium rare. In this case, I'm gonna do medium to medium well, somewhere in the neighborhood. But the garlic, the butter, really makes this unbelievable. And this is a great steak. You're really gonna enjoy it. Okay? Okay, guys, our steaks are ready. So take a look. Beautiful, huh? Packed with a lot of flavor. Very easy and fast. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna serve the steaks. And I got a little side dish that I'm going pasta right now, and I'll put it together and I'll show you. We're almost there. Okay, steaks are ready. Now you see all this here? This right here is packed with flavor. Packed with flavor. So this is what I do. Repeat again here. There's your butter. Put them in there. Olive oil. Here we go. Move that here. Look at this flavors in here. Look at this. Now, the rest of the garlic back in. Look at that. Now, here's your side dish here. Okay? You like to do, bring this to low. Hold this here good. And what I like to do is I like to add garlic salt. A little bit here. You want a good stir mixing here. There we go. Look at this. How beautiful is that? Look at that. Packed with flavors from that garlic, olive oil, and butter. So now, I'm gonna go ahead, move this right here. All the way here. There you go. And then what we do, I got the grandkids in the background. Top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Okay? Okay, guys, so here we go. There's your steak. That's your side dish here. And then what I like to do, let me go ahead and put one of those guys right here in the middle. And I'll show you. See that? Perfect. Once again, you can do a well done, medium, medium rare. It depends what you want. Hey, I want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And leave a comment down below. I really enjoy listening and answering you guys. I appreciate it very much. And please don't forget, you deserve a good meal.